Hello, I am Makan Abazari, Shahanshah Iran, Makan Abazari, the Supreme of Climate, Makan Abazari, the Supreme of Geophysics, Makan Abazari, Korepol, the builder of bridge over Pacific Ocean by activating volcanoes in Pacific Ocean to make a bridge over Pacific Ocean. So I have also other titles. Now, I intend to break the continent of North America into 4 continents by mega earthquakes and by massive earthquakes breaking the continent of North America into 4 continents. So the continent breaks due to earthquakes and it creates division and distance between parts of the continent of North America until North America becomes 2 continents, and it also breaks the North America tectonic plate into 4 tectonic plates and 4 continents. Only I am allowed to enter this code, and when I enter this code it automatically makes earthquakes continuously to break the continent of North America. We also must destroy American metropolitans by earthquakes in addition to breaking the continent of North America into 4 continents. I'm Makan Abazari, Shahanshah Iran. I'm Makan Abazari, the Supreme of Climate. I'm Makan Abazari, the Supreme of Geophysics. I'm Makan Abazari, Shahanshah Iran. And من خودم زمین رو تیلتش میکنم، من زمین رو توپ کاددارش میکنم، من آمریکا رو چارقاچ میکنم. Meaning I have tilted and I will again tilt the planet Earth by making earthquakes, and I will change the location of South Pole and North Pole by making massive earthquakes and releasing the energy of geophysics stored under the Earth. I have done it many times and I will do it again. من زمین رو توپ کاددارش میکنم. I regulate the rotation and angle of rotation of the planet Earth, because when I change the location of South Pole and North Pole, it regulates and controls the angle of rotation of the Earth and the manner the Earth rotates in itself. So I control the rotation of the planet Earth, and sometimes I make it to move like a soccer ball that has a specific move. So, and I also said من آمریکا رو چارقاچش میکنم، من آمریکا رو چارقاچ میکنم. Meaning I will split the continent of North America into 4 continents by massive earthquakes breaking the tectonic plate and the continent of North America into 4 continents and 4 tectonic plates. And I will split North America and I will create a distance of large seas between parts of the continent of North America. And it has continued, this one continues. من آمریکا رو مجمع الجزایر میکنم. Meaning I will continue the earthquakes in USA after I broke it into 4 continents to transform the USA into a collection of many islands. And I forgot the terminology in English for it again. من آمریکا رو مجمع الجزایر میکنم. But this code breaks the continent of North America into 4 continents. I'm Makan Abazari, Shahanshah Iran. I'm Makan Abazari, the Supreme of Geophysics, and I'm Makan Abazari, the Supreme of Climate. I'm also Makan Abazari, the Messenger of God.